Welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to voice wake up your TCL Google TV. That basically means you can wake up the TV by just saying, "Hey Google, turn on TV," or whatever, using either a Google Nest, which is connected to the same network, or by just speaking to the remote of your TV. Anyway, there are a couple of things you need to enable. First, you have to enable Google Assistant and enable hands-free voice control. So let's start with that. So what you want to do is go to Settings. Under Settings, go to Accounts and Sign In. Select that, and then select the account you want to enable this for, and then scroll down to Google Assistant. Select that, and then you should have voice control on. That basically means Google Assistant. You can talk to Google Assistant by pressing the button on the remote. But then of course we want to do this without pressing the button. So go down there and enable hands-free mic, which basically will enable "Hey Google" for your TV. Now once you enable that, you can now go back to the main home screen, and I want us to enable something else. The next thing you'll need to enable is the quick start mode for your TV. So once again, go to Settings. Under Settings, go to System, select that, and then under System, go to Power and Energy, select that, and then go to Quick Start and make sure that is enabled as well. If it's disabled, it's going to look like that, so make sure that switch is on. So now if you go back one step, back to the Power and Energy settings, you can scroll down and find Screenless Service. Also make sure that is enabled. And with all those three things enabled, now it means you can just say the buzzword, which is "Hey G." I don't want to say the full word, but once you say that, you can now prompt Google Assistant to do whatever you need it to do, including turning on the TV. "Hey Google, turn on TV and open Netflix."
All right, turning the Smart TV Pro on. Opening Netflix.
"Hey Google, open Netflix."
Opening Netflix.
"Hey Google, open YouTube."
Opening YouTube.
So thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.